Okay. So, students, in the last lesson, I explained you some pictures. Okay. So, see first picture where we can see one boy and one girl. Okay, and there is a equal sign in between them. Okay. So, what is the meaning of that? The meaning of that, the boy and girl means male and woman are equal. Okay. So see here in the first picture you can see there is one boy and one girl. Okay, and there is a pot on her head. Okay, so there are two pictures, and in and first picture is of the boy who is going to the school while a girl of same age is doing the household chores. Okay, she is carrying a pot of water on her head. Okay, maybe there will be two possibilities. Maybe she is going to fill the water in, or maybe she is coming from the well or river with the water to the home. Okay, now see another adjacent picture to the picture. Okay, see this picture. Okay, so see in the second adjacent picture, both the boy and girl are going to the school. This picture is showing the equality between the men and women. Okay, both have the right to go to the school. Okay, and this picture is showing the equality between men and women. Okay, now see this picture. Okay, now see this picture. Now see this picture here. What can you see? Okay, in the second picture, there is a woman who is trudging along, balancing 3 pots of water on her head, and there is a baby on her hip. Means she's she's carrying a pot of water. Means here the woman is busy in the household work. Okay, and see the adjacent picture to this picture, means this picture. Okay, here also you can see the woman. Okay, and she is teaching to the students. Okay, there is one boy and there is one girl. Okay, so what can we found from this? The woman is teaching to the student. She is a working woman and she is earning some money. Okay, means she is totally independent woman. She is economically independent. She is financially independent. Okay, so in the first picture, without any payment. Okay, in this picture, the woman is working without payment. She is not getting any payment for doing the household work. Okay, but in the second picture, the woman is a working woman and she is earning for herself. Okay, so she is the independent woman. Okay, now see the third picture. Now see the third picture here. What can you see? There is a one man, one man, one woman, then the boy and one girl. Okay, and they all are busy in doing the work. Okay, so see in the first picture there is a man. Okay, he is busy in cooking food. Okay, and there is a woman. She is also making something. Okay, there is a boy. He is washing the vegetable, and there is a girl, she is chopping the vegetable. Okay, so male and female shares the household work equally in this picture. Okay, and they all are helping the women. Okay, now see second adjacent picture, the picture. Okay, so see in this picture what you can see. You can see there is a woman. Okay, and I think she is the boss. She looks like the boss. Okay, so in this picture there are some men and some women are also there. Okay, and I think they are conducting a meeting, and so she is the boss, and some men and women are in that meeting. Okay, means men and women work together as equal in the workplace. Okay, here we can see that men and women work together in the workplace, and women. Students say women can do household work as well as she can handle the office also. So we can see here the gender equality in this picture, because here we can see that she can handle the house and also working place, means that office. Okay, so here we can see the gender equality. So what is the gender equality? Gender equality means men and women are equal, boys and girls are equal. And okay, and why they are equal? Because nature's created man and woman as equal. So today we are going to learn about the lesson nature's created man and woman are equal. Okay, so see, it is the story of a girl. Okay, and there is a one program in her school. Okay, and that is the symposium in her school, and she is going to represent that program. Okay, so the topic of that program is the nature created men and women as equal. Okay, so she went to her parents and she asked them, and all these descriptions is written in this lesson. Okay, so now we are moving on our lesson. So here first in the first two paragraph, okay, there description of the house. Okay, in the first two paragraph there is a description of the house. Okay, so see, okay, so see here, there is a description, okay, of the house. The house and its surrounding are a site. See, the house and its surroundings are a site of peace in the early morning of peace. Okay, so in nestles means it nestles by the side of the small stream of crystal clear water. Okay, so here there is a picture. Okay, there is a picture of the house. Here is a description of the house. Nestles means was close to, means that house is close to the small streams, and the water of the stream was very crystal clear. Okay, means very clean. Okay, so it nestles, it's close to by the side of the small stream of the crystal clear water. Okay, the stream tumbles down the green mountain only 2 miles or so away. Okay, so tumbles means what? Fall. Okay, there is a stretch of hundreds of acres of fertile land rolling with yellow mustard flowers. Okay, there is also fertile lands. Okay, and rolling means extending in a long gentle slope with the yellow mustard flowers. Okay, between the mountains range and the house, a garden which is in front of the house, trees of many kinds bearing flowers of various hues and fruits grow on all sides of the house. Okay, and there is a courtyard also. Courtyards means angan. We can say some place in front of the house. Okay, so the courtyard smells on the jasmine which blooms in the bunch of the white pearl. The fragrance mingle means, mingles means what? Mixes. Okay, the fragrance means pleasant smell. Okay, the fragrance mixes with the thin smoke and rises from sweet smelling incense stick. Okay, incense stick, you know, you always use when you worship to the God. Okay, incense stick we always use in Marathi, that agarbatti. Okay, it called incense stick. Okay, the burning incense sticks are glowing at the altar of God in the middle of the courtyard. Okay, so that is the full description of the house. Okay, so what happened the next? Okay, there are some character, that is Ashanti, then Lanthai and Tomba. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you about the Ashangbi. Okay, so Ashangbi is a middle-aged mother. Okay, Ashangbi is a middle-aged mother who has 3 children, and she is a journalist and woman right activist. Okay, so what is the journalist? Journalist means a person who writes for the newspaper or the magazine. Okay, Ashangbi is a middle-aged mother. Okay, and she is also the journalist and women rights activist. Activist means what? A person who brings about a social and political changes. That is the activist. So Ashangbi was a journalist and a woman rights activist. Okay, so see here, there is also a Lanthui. Okay, Lanthui is the youngest daughter of the Ashangbi, and she is also the intelligent girl. Lanthui is the youngest daughter of Ashangbi and Tomba. Okay, and Tomba is the father of Lanthui and is a husband, supportive husband of the activities of his wife and a loving father. Who one? That is Tomba. Okay, and he is a lawyer and a social worker who advocates the causes of women. Okay, so he is always proud of his wife. Tomba always prouds his wife, the 2 daughters and the son. In times of need, he always ready to help his wife, his daughter means his children, and to the society also at large. He does not discriminate. Discriminate means difference or treat one person or a group better or worse than another. Okay, means we can say in an unfair way. Okay, he does not discriminate between the man's work or and woman's work. Okay, he never differentiate between the man's work and woman's work anywhere. So he shares all the household chores with his wife, like the cooking, washing, cleaning, and feeding to the children. Okay, so he shares all the household chores. That's the reason his wife is successful professional, successful in her professional, and he wholeheartedly believes in equality, equality respective of the class, religion, and the gender. So he was the Tomba. Okay, now see what happened. After completing the discussion with her father, Lanthai enters in the room of her mother. Okay, she discussed something with her father, and after completing the discussion, she went in the room of her mother. Okay, so what happened? It was the Sunday. Okay, and Ashangbi was in a reading room, and she is busy in writing an article. Okay, Lanthe looks thoughtfully and she takes a seat by her mother's side after entering the room. Okay, on sing here in the lesson. Okay, 1 minute. At the sight of. Okay, at the sight of means what? On seeing. Okay, at the sight of her child. On seeing her child, mother asked. Okay, means Ashangbi asked, "Have you finished your study?" Yes, mother, I finished it last night because today being Sunday. She answers to the mother, and she tells that I want to do something interesting. Okay, Lanthe to the mother and wait for her mother's reply. So Ashangbi asks her delightedly, "What do you want to do?" And Lanthe Lanthe tells her about the symposium. Okay, it is the symposium. Symposium conference we can say, or meeting we can say, a meeting at which experts have discussion on a particular subject. That is symposium. Again, I am repeating one time. A symposium means we can say a type of conference or a meeting at which experts have discussion on particular subject. That is symposium. Okay, and the Lanthoi is talking about the symposium which is going to happen in her school, okay, and where she is going to represent Siroi Lily House, means her group in the school, and she is going to represent that group as a speaker at school. Okay, and the topic of the symposium is God created man and woman equals. It is the topic of symposium. Okay, Lanthoi presses on her. Presses means what? Persuaded. Okay, persuaded someone to do something. Okay, so Lanthoi presses to her mother that mother will spare some time with the discussion with her on the same topic. Okay, so what happened? But before coming to the mother, okay, before coming to the mother, she had a discussion with her father on the same topic, and in his discussion, when she was taking the discussion with her father, his father said he laments. Laments means express grief and sorrow. Her father laments over the great injustice done and women in the society. Okay, he tells her that the world is still full of inequality. We have to find a way to bring equality between men and women. Okay, whatever her father says to her, the words of her father ringing sounds in her ears and ears of the Lanthoi. So she came to mother and tell her mother of what her father had said her. Okay, and on the words of father, Ashangbi gives the appreciation. Okay, means Ashangbi, her mother also gives the appreciation on the father's telling. Okay, so see, she told, means Ashangbi told that your father is correct. Your father is correct. Okay, and it is very important to bring the equality between men and women in the society. Okay, so she appreciate with the fathers. Okay, now see here, appreciation of her father for his views. Ashangbi says your father is right. In no society do women enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by men. It is because of your father that I feel no differences or inequality at home, but outside our home, I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. Okay, subjugated means controlled and dominated over. Okay, so she means Ashangbi told her that in our society there is no enjoyment, there is no opportunity, there is no same opportunities for the men and women. Okay, it is because of your father that I enjoy, I get all the opportunities same as the men, and it is because of the father that no differences or inequality at the home. But outside our home, I have seen that women have been subjugated. Okay, means control and dominated over in many ways. Okay, so it is against the will of God, and God has sent men and women to the earth to share the joys and sorrows of the life equally, to share his blessing and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. And this is what your topic means. Okay, so there Ashangbi tells to the Lanthoi, okay, and their home is filled with the love, peace, and justice. Okay, and Lanthoi has been inspired by the many stories of the pioneer woman that her grandmother has narrated to her. Okay, so Lanthai thinks that she is very means yeah. See here, Ashanti knows well that men and women are equal. Women who are a half of the human race are as important as men. She writes and talks about such topics, and her daughter, though a child, also understand well that her mother is not a person of a lesser equality than her father, and she says that our home is full of love with you, mother. Okay, so after listening to the mother, she thinks that his home is full of the love, peace, and justice, and Lantern has been inspired by the many stories of the pioneer. Okay, and the pioneer woman that her grandmother has narrated to her. Okay, so pioneer means what? A person who is among the first to take up the cause, especially in a new region. And testify means what? Provide evidence or proof. Okay, so she means Lanthoi always listen many stories of the pioneer woman that her grandmother has narrated to her, and she is in awe of the women who were as brave as kings and were makers of home, family, society, and the nation. Okay, and at the same time, they were adventurous to work shoulder to shoulder with men to practice agriculture. Okay, this woman, as her grandmother narrated, were makers of home, family, society, and nations, and they were civilizing the influence. They were civilizing means what? Educating the influence, and at the same time, they were also adventurous to the claim their shares in the free land, plow, and raise crops with their own hands and draw cattle. Okay, means in the agriculture. So modern women have become mountaineers, then naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and also that women and men were created as equal. Okay, so modern women have entered the several careers that were only available to the men. In this modern age, the women also doing the work shoulder to shoulder with the men to in every field. Okay, so Landa asked about the is there are any legal, moral, and social provision for women to live a life free from suppression. Okay, so Ashangi quotes a few articles from the United Nations declared on human rights. So see here, then she asked her mother further, mother, uh, you have thrown light upon the equality of men and women. Throw light up means what? To give the information or the explanation. So she takes that she asks her mother that give you throw you throw the light on the equality of men and women, and also have the emphasize that the world is still an unequal world. Then what I would like to know is if there are moral, social, and legal provision to enable women to express their physical and mental potential. Legal means related to the law, and potential means the quality that exists can be developed. Okay, and to set themselves free from suppression. Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter Ashangvi, said some legal activities. Okay, so see here. First one is so Ashangi tells her some legal, okay, some legal separations. Okay, there are many under the aegis of the United Nations. There is a declaration of the new world of equality. It has been for the dimensions. Okay, so Ashangi explains the dimension in the Constitution. Okay, so see see here, first one is the equal access to basic social services, including health and education. Second one, equal participation in the political and economic decision making. Okay. And third one, equal reward for equal work. And last one is the elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Okay, so Ashanti quotes a few articles from the United Nations declared on human rights. Okay, so this declaration assured equal access for men and women to the basic necessities, including health and education. It promises an equal participation in political and economic decision making. Nowadays, you can also see in the politics. Okay, some women are also included. Okay, and they have the equal right to participate in political and economical decision making. Okay, so equal rewards for equal work and elimination of the discrimination and violence against women. So finally, on being enlightened with all this information, Lanthai confident of her success in the symposium rushes out of the room to face the bright morning sun. Here, the blue sky meets the ranges of the eastern mountains, and she seems to be fascinated by the small trail which winds up the distant purple mountain. Okay, and her mother concluded, my dear daughter, we can affirm along with the United Nations that men and women are equal. Okay, Lanthai understands what her mother means to say. Okay, and she got the topic, the symposium. Okay, so see here, United Nations Declarations on Human Rights. Okay, is a milestone document. In the abbreviation, we called it UDHR, means Universal Declaration of the Human Rights. Okay, is a milestone document in the history of human rights. It is a milestone document. It is list of 30 articles. It is the list of the 30 articles in the form of rights for people all over the world. And these rights are confirmed on the people just because they are humans and allow each person to live a life of respect. And every year, 10th December is celebrated as the Human Rights Day to honor the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Okay, so see here in this lesson, okay, nature created man and woman as equal. This lesson promotes fairness and justice between the genders, not only in words but also in practice. Okay, it look at the unresolved issue of gender inequality through the innocent eyes of Lanthai, that is the girl of the 12 years old, and she is the daughter of Ashangbi. Okay, and what on being a Sunday, little Lanthoi seeks help from the parent to represent the Siroi Lily House as a speaker in the symposium on the topic of God created men and women as equal. Her father is a lawyer, social worker, and strong supporter of the cause of women. He is a living example of a person who practices gender equality in his home. He assists his wife in all home-related activities, home-related chores equally, and supports his wife's career, because of which she is successful journalist and a women's rights activist. Okay, so their home is filled with love, peace, and justice. And Lanthoi has been inspired by the many stories of pioneer women that her grandmother has narrated to her, and she is in awe of the women who were as brave as kings and were makers of the home, family, society, and the nation. At the same time, they were adventurous who worked shoulder to shoulder with men to practice agriculture. Modern women have entered the several careers that were only available to men. Lanthai asked her mother if there are any legal, moral, and social provisions for women to live a life free of suppression. So Ashangbi quotes a few articles from the United Nations Declaration on the Human Rights. Okay, and this declaration assures equal access for men and women to basic necessities, including health and education, and it promises an equal participation in political and economic decision making, equal rewards for equal work, and elimination of the discrimination and violence against women. And finally, on being enlightened with all this information, Lanthai, confident on her success in the symposium, rushes out of the room to face the bright morning sun. Okay, here the blue sky meets the range of the eastern mountains. She seems to be fascinated by the small trail which winds up the distant purple mountains. Okay, so here means what? Influences which improve or enlighten